When it comes to door installation, Washington, D.C., finding the right professionals is crucial for ensuring quality and durability. The Washington, D.C. door installation experts are renowned for their precision and attention to detail, making them the top choice for residents seeking reliable door services. Whether you need entry door installation D.C. or interior door installation Washington, these professionals have the skills and experience to handle any project with ease. Washington, D.C. door services offer a wide range of options to cater to the diverse needs of the community. From custom doors Washington, D.C. to standard door replacement Washington, D.C., there is a solution for every style and budget. The Door Installation Company D.C. provides comprehensive services, including door frame installation D.C. and door hanging Washington, D.C., ensuring a seamless fit and finish for every door. For those searching for door installation near me, D.C., the local door installation experts in Washington, D.C. are just a call away. They offer affordable door installation Washington, D.C. without compromising on quality, making them the preferred choice for budget-conscious homeowners. With Washington, D.C. door installation reviews highlighting their exceptional service, you can trust these professionals to deliver outstanding results. The door installation cost Washington, D.C. can vary depending on the type of door and the complexity of the installation. However, Washington, D.C. door installation quotes are transparent and competitive, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. The door installation specialists Washington are committed to providing cost-effective solutions without sacrificing quality, making them the go-to choice for many residents. In the Washington, D.C. door installation area, there are numerous options to choose from, including exterior door installation D.C. and door fitting Washington, D.C. The Door Installation Solutions D.C. are designed to meet the unique needs of each client, offering personalized service and expert advice. With a dedicated door installation team Washington, you can be confident that your project will be completed on time and to the highest standards. The best door installation Washington services are known for their professionalism and reliability. With a team of skilled door installation technicians D.C., they ensure that every door is installed with precision and care. Whether you need door installation Washington, D.C. or a complete door replacement Washington, D.C., these professionals have the expertise to handle any job, big or small. Choosing a reliable door contractor Washington, D.C. is essential for a successful installation. The Washington, D.C. door installation specialists are known for their professionalism and attention to detail, making them the top choice for homeowners in the area. With Washington, D.C. door installation reviews available online, you can easily find a contractor with a proven track record of excellence.